Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to add a drop shadow in Photoshop using layer styles, so your text or objects stand out with depth. First, open your file in Photoshop. Select the layer you want to add the shadow to. This can be text or a shape. Now look at the Layers panel. At the bottom, click the FX icon. This opens the Layer Style menu. Click Drop Shadow. The Layer Style window appears. Adjust the settings. Change opacity to control shadow strength. Adjust distance to move the shadow. Use size to soften the edges. Angle controls the light direction. Subtle shadows make designs look realistic. They help elements stand out without clutter. When it looks right, click OK. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.